Hey everybody, welcome back to FPV Budget Builds. Little Mobula thing here. I was flying the other day and gave this thing a good 20-foot crash. A little Mobula 6. You can see cracked the frame a couple places. And so what we're going to do is give this little dude a full rebuild. And well, change some things up, make it a little better, but wanted to give a little video first to show the impact from that. It was a pretty crazy crash. Trying to do a chase cam to somebody else flying a whoop in a big gym area, and I ended up focusing more on them than what I was doing and whacked into this pipe that was up in the rafters. So a good 25-30 foot drop onto the gym floor. So just wanted to give a quick little bit of insight here, and we'll follow up with the changes I make. We'll kind of rebuild this guy, make him fresh, and give it a new life. So here we go. These are the things we're going to change on this. I'm going to remove the canopy and the camera, get rid of the run cam, go with the Caddx Ant Light. I'm going to change out that canopy for the Crux 3 canopy. And we're going to change our motors to the EX 0802's 19,000. It has the SE version of the 0802 19,000s on it. These are okay, but I'm going to zest it up a little bit. I like these a little bit better myself. So we'll see where we go with this, and I'll show you after I change it out. Got a new frame coming for it. I don't have one coming. I have one for it already. So we'll go ahead and change this out. Get it all decked out, and we'll see what comes of it. Maybe I'll tweak some other stuff. So here we are, and bam! There's the new Mobula 6. So we did a little work on it, replaced the frame. This is a used frame that I had, but it was in good shape, no problem. So we just used it, transferred everything over, and kind of crazy because in the mail I got a little package from Athix FPV. If you haven't checked his channel out, go see what he's got going on. Good guy. But anyway, the package was a bunch of prints, so I used one of his little crazy pods here for the canopy, and I'm kind of liking it. Got the whole red, white, and blue type of thing going on, although these props are a little orangey red, but that's okay. It still kind of fills out the little patriotic blend there. So I think this guy's not going to be called the Mobula 6 anymore. I think I'm going to call him the Tiny Patriot. Pretty cool. So the other change we made was we put the Caddx Ant Light Nano on there. And it was kind of it does stick out quite a ways. Not a whole lot of camera protection, but I figured I'd try it out, see how it was. And looking pretty good. Routed the antenna up here, gave it a little zip tie, and overall I'm pretty happy with it. Got the same setup on the bottom, so we can run 450s if we need. I think I might reroute those and do a little toilet tank there, tank them instead when I run those bigger batteries, and then maybe it won't be quite as abusive on these little supports. So there we go. We'll see how it flies. I haven't flown it yet. I got snow out right now, so maybe I'll get some inside flights and then record a little video outside with it in the snow. Do a little risky flying, but it's I think it's only like 23 right now, so I'll have to wait till it warms up a bit. We'll see how it goes. But there's the follow-up for the build or rebuild and replenish. I did want to change those motors out, but naturally when I went to order them, they aren't available, so I'm stuck with the SE 0802 19,000 kVs, which is alright, but I still will be changing those out to the EX and give a little change. So there we go. Let me know what you think about the build and everything, and I'll try to pop on some video here afterwards, but if it's too long of a video, then I'll put it all separate for the flights. So until then, see ya.